Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nice to meet you all, my students, Science Cambridge. Here, I'll try to explain about the magnetism and electricity. You know, magnetism and electricity actually has very strong relationship. I mean, we can produce magnetic from electricity, and in the other hand, we can produce electricity from magnet. It's simple. You know fan or air conditioner that has a fan, it moves because of electricity. It because electricity produces magnet. So the magnet can be used to rotate the rotor from the fan. Reverse about the generator. Generator has magnet. When magnet move around the coil, it will produce electricity. So, guys, my students, the relationship between electricity and magnetism is very strong. In advanced level, maybe if you want to continue your study more deeper in physics or in magnetism or electricity, you will find the field and the soul of magnetism and electricity actually same. They have many similar characteristics. Okay, this is just for the intermezzo for you. I'll continue explaining using a hyperphysics website. Okay, let's go on. Okay, now I'll continue the explanation using a link that I called hyperphysics. You can search in Google hyperphysics. Yeah, hyperphysics. Okay, you can use this. Hyperphysics is up to you. Okay, this is actually this about physics. Yeah, about physics, biology, and others many of subjects. But because today we will study about physics, I will open the physics things. In here, there are many options for you, but today we will study about electricity and magnetism. Okay, just click it. Now, you see this. There are so many links, there are so many web of the electricity and magnetisms. There are so many part of them. First, we'll see about electric charge, Coulomb's law, Gauss law, electric field, voltage, current, and measurements. But maybe part of this are advanced for you, but because we are the level of IGCSE, I will explain at the level. And also there is magnetic field and circuit elements. Okay, first I will electric charge. No, there is this electric charge. Okay, actually the atom is neutral, but because if it the proton on electron is not same amount, it will become charged object here. Okay, just like this. Okay, we can see from this the influence of charge is characteristic in terms of the force between Coulomb's law. Okay, the Coulomb's law is the laws that can explain about the interaction between force. Okay, like this. Like charge will repel, unlike charge will attract. Okay, you know that about that. The formula is F equals to K Q1 Q2 over R squared, or K Q1 of 4 pi epsilon O R squared is Coulomb's law. EO is permittivity of space. Okay, you can use some there is here. Okay, there is some simulation you can use to increase your understanding in Coulomb's law. and then electric force examples, like this. Okay, 1 second's worth from to okay, 1 million of revolutions, and there will be a revolution between them. It means the charge is smooth to produce this light bulb. Okay, there's Coulomb constant and the other. Next, I will continue. Okay, Coulomb's law have an electric field. You know that electric field. Actually, this a point charge, it will be area that can be affected by the electric field. It said electric field. Electric field for positive will go away, and for negative will come in. Yeah. Yes. Okay. The formula of the electric field is force over charge. About the second here, you don't need to worry about it because it essay is advanced level for you for now. Okay, but in A level I will explain this. Okay, how to count electric field? F over charge, K key source key R squared, like this. Okay, this point charge and the electric field will go out from the charge. Okay, that I think because okay, about electric charge, Coulomb's law, and I think is enough. You know, the electric charge will produce force between charges, and the charge and the force over charge equals to electric field. It means E or electric field equals to F force over charge, F over K. And then how about magnetic field? Magnetic field actually is produced from the current. Okay, when a current flow in a wire, it will be produce electric field, magnetic field like this. So I mean the electric field is produced from the static electric, and magnetic field is produced from the dynamic electric. I repeat again, electric field is produced from the static electric, and magnetic field is produced from dynamic electric. If the current is up, and the magnetic field will revolve around. It's also the same with these types of electricity. The Earth has electric magnetic field. Okay, you can suggest what is the function of a magnetic field. Actually, is to protect Earth from the unwanted or from the unwanted threat from the space. You know, we are not alone in this space, or in simple, there is only Earth, the planet, in this space, in the universe. Okay, and Lorentz law. Okay, it's about the when is state, yeah, when electric field and current meet, they will produce Lorentz law. And the next is about circuit elements. You know this? Okay, this resistor. Okay, and capacitor, inductor. Resistor will reduce current by change the electric become heat. And about this, capacitor will reduce current by change it become electric field. An inductor will reduce current by change become magnetic field. Okay, heat, electric field, and magnetic field. Next, circuit, electric circuit. This. Okay. Okay, there are electric current and DC circuit, yeah, and AC circuit. Okay, actual electric current. The electric current like this. Okay, um, it will produce magnetic field. The Coulomb's law, I'm sorry, the Ohm's law is V over R. V over R. Like that. Okay. The last, actually, in this part, you can access it set as video or demo index, or also example of problems like this. Example problems. Okay, you can choose magnetism and electricity. Okay, this is circuit like this. Okay, this is the something problems. Okay, you can use that, yeah. And the next is about the demo. You can see the demo here, and I will give you some suggestions to explain the demo here. Okay, the demo 1 2 3 5 1 2 3 4 5, yeah. There are you can choose two of these. You can explain in the duty in your e-learning system. Okay, I think this is you can open this and you can play the demo here. Okay, I think this is enough for you for the explanation about the electricity and magnetism. As I said before, they are very strong relationship. And for further, you can read the ebook, and also you can visit this website so you can elaborate more rather than only my explanation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.